Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Ollie Ace. So I am a Builderall affiliate, and in this video what I want to talk about is what should you be focusing on if you've just signed up with Builderall as an affiliate. So for me, there are various different things that you can be focusing on, and after speaking to so many people that have just recently joined Builderall, the one thing that I've noticed is that they are focusing too much on non-income generating activities. Okay, and I think it's quite an easy trap to fall into, especially if you are just joining the program, because you want to get started, right? And you want to start getting involved in all these lovely things, all these flashy things, but unfortunately it just isn't the time. Okay, and what I'm really referring to are tasks like putting together a fancy website, or maybe spending time and finances on solo ads and building email lists. And although all these things are great and they do have its place, I personally just don't believe it is the right time to be focusing on those activities, because the main thing that would be concerning me, especially if you're just joining, is that you want to think about spending time and effort on activities that is going to enable you to really have your membership pay for itself, right? Because think about it, you don't want to be part of a program, an affiliate program, where it's not paying for itself, ideally. Now, it can be different for other people, because there are people out there that are actually using the platform and not just using it as an affiliate program, but actually using the platform to help optimize their existing business or help set up their online business, which is fine because they're getting value out of the platform, right? But if you are coming onto the Builderall affiliate program with the intention just to be an affiliate and bring in affiliates, then this is where it can be slightly dangerous, in the fact that you could be hemorrhaging money month on month if you're not focusing on the right tasks. Okay, so that's why it's important. You really do need to start, you really do need to think about tasks that are income generating. All right, so please don't misunderstand me. I'm not saying that it's not important to put together a website, it's not important to build up an email list, but at the same time you've got to remember, what is priority? Is the priority to be in a sustainable business where you are basically in a financial position where you can have your membership paid for without any stress? Now, there are people out there that don't mind forking out $50 every month, right? And that's fine. Whereas for myself, when I first started, I was all about, right, okay, I really want to make a go of this business, but my main priority is to make sure that it is paying for itself. How do I do that? And basically what I did was basically just list down a list of activities that I felt would be the most important to me, and what would be the most important in terms of priority, to ensure that it is always having an impact on generating income. Okay, and unless a task is not doing that, then I wouldn't consider it. I would basically put it on the back burner. And for me, that would be tasks like putting together a website. It would be a task like building up my email list. It would also be things like, investing in solo ads. I mean, do you at this point really need to be investing in solo ads? Okay, that's the question you need to ask yourself, because although solo ads and Facebook ads have its place, for me personally, I don't think you should be investing in any marketing stroke advertising tools unless you are ready to scale. Okay, unless you are unable to physically go out there and promote the services yourself. Okay, that's when I think it is, that would be useful to basically adopt those tools, but certainly not before, especially when you're just starting out. Now, I say to people, and I advise people who are just starting out with Builderall as an affiliate, that for at least the first 4 to 6 weeks, you should be focusing on income generating tasks. Okay, and that can be a whole host of things. In terms of how you promote and position Builderall. But what should be at the forefront of your mind is, what if I do this today, how is that going to impact me earning income tomorrow? All right, so do you see where I'm coming? You know, do you see where I'm going? Every task that you do needs to be income generated. It needs to be income generating. Otherwise, you're going to find yourself in a position where, if things aren't moving fast enough, okay, if you've adopted, you know, if you put together all these tasks and spent so much time in doing these things which are not necessarily income generating, you're going to find yourself becoming very frustrated with very little results, and before you know it, you're going to hit that crossroad where you think, should I be staying with Builderall as an affiliate? Is this the right business for me? Okay, and you know, like I said, you know, any business that you go into, okay, particularly Builderall, if you are focusing in the right areas, okay, you will absolutely make it work for you. Okay, it is a very lucrative business with a very handsome compensation plan. I can't stress that enough. And you know, I've been fortunate and lucky enough to be basically following a simple step-by-step strategy which has enabled me to really hit those income generating tasks, which has really made me, you know, quite successful in such a short space of time. Okay, and that's the only reason why I've been able to do that, because I've not let anything distract me from my focus, which is to generate income and to ensure that my membership at the very least is paying for itself. Okay, and for me, I think that's key, and you know, it's definitely a way of building a good foundation for a solid business within the Builderall affiliate program. Okay, so I hope that you got a lot of value out of this video, and I hope again that it's kind of like, you know, made you kind of review how you're currently running your online Builderall affiliate program and building your team, because you know, at the end of the day, you know, like myself, like my team, I want to make sure and give as much value to you guys as possible so that you are kind of steered down the right path and not wasting time, effort and energy and potentially money on something that is not going to benefit you in the short term. Anyway, this is your boy Ollie Yates. I hope this was valuable, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Let's keep it lit. Ollie Yates signing off.